Smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 will be the fourth industrial revolution to transform the manufacturing landscape. We created this e-learning based on the two books, Navigating the Manufacturing in ASEAN and Smart Factory. It consists of 5 chapters comprised of Future and Present Time, explain the background of the past 3 revolutions and the current stage of the 4th Industrial Revolution. International Rush to Industry 4.0. Why are countries rush to develop and promote their respective industry policy and program to ensure they will not be left behind, initially by Germany and followed by the US, China and Japan? Industry 4.0 Framework. This module explains the Industry 4.0 technology pillars architecture and framework and its relation to standards and business model. In Industry 4.0 and the Global Value Chain module, we dive deep into the global value chain and supply chain from a manufacturing perspective and how it will shape the future manufacturing activities and focus. The Smart Factory module explains the criteria and characteristics of a smart factory in the future and concerning stakeholders and collaborative function with the manufacturing ecosystems. In the Connectivity module, it highlights the importance of connectivity and interoperability when building an intelligent manufacturing system to enable data collection for smart manufacturing using analytics and artificial intelligence. Setting up an Industry 4.0 practice provides guidance and adopting best practices to build the next generation of manufacturing infrastructure. The Assessing Industry 4.0 Readiness module introduces various assessment frameworks and how it helps manufacturing practitioners develop a robust roadmap considering process, technology, and organization based on their level of maturity. These videos are present in bite size using storytelling methodology for busy industry executives and practitioners. We hope our sharing will be beneficial in your journey towards the dream of building a smart manufacturing 4.0 future.